If you want to be on a video, you got to come outside.
Never.
Yeah.
I do. The way my schedule is right now.
Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Uh-huh.
Oh, my PJ, leave me alone.
We got us a Poopy Situation. We've actually had an issue with this for a while and don't have the funds just yet in the budget to get someone out here to empty out this tank, but we want to figure out what's going on with these lines. So we're starting to dig this up, kind of route it out, but it goes right in the way, right where all this wood's got to go. So we're going to move this wood, put you guys to a quick time lapse. We're going to move this over there and then see what's going on with why this doesn't want to drain. Dad's got the last load, so that's all moved out the way. Now I know it's obviously you can't see because this is all filled up with water, but my pipe is right about here. And then when we looked at it and seen it, I was moving dirt, and then once I got to about here, I didn't hit the pipe yet, but I moved a rock and then some dirt, and it just started spewing water out quickly. Obviously we had driven over this area. That pipe is only about a foot under the ground. So I have a feeling with all the driving and such, to include bigger vehicles like, you know, my uncle's big dually, I think we crushed that pipe, and that's part of our issue. But we need to get this cleared out, and the reason why we moved that wood is because I'm hoping it just goes straight out that way. But don't know till we get it dug up. Oh, and before people start commenting down below saying, hey, get with Drew's lens, or get with Drew, or you know, get with David, they all have tractors with a backhoe. Well, yeah, I know. They're busy. Just like we're busy too. So right now the locations that those tractors with those backhoes are at, they're in use. They're being used. So well, we'll do with what we got. All right, so we went out, I'd say that's about 8 feet, give or take, and tried digging down again to find that hose or the pipe, but it's kind of hard to see this, so I'm gonna go. Dad's gonna go grab some cutters for the roots. We've been hitting roots, and I need to go to the front of the property because we have a submersible. Yeah, words are hard. Submersible pump, but it's all the way up front because that's where we used it last. So let's go grab the pump. Be right back. Whew. Water went down up here, so looking mighty nice, Still a muddy mess, however. Yeah, takes a while to dry out. Creek is sounding mighty nice, and got the pump, so let's head back up Go play with water that does not look like this. Hey.
Yeah.
It's coming.
Right there? No.
Yeah, just anywhere there's fine.
You're gonna empty all the tank?
Right? It's what's gonna happen.
Why would I put it right there? Better because we're gonna cut the.
Pipe.
Yep.
You see that?
Yeah.
Piece of broken pipe.
We're gonna empty the tank.
Oh. It's only to empty it so far, yeah.
Look, it's come out.
Yeah. You guys can come see what we see. You can see that bubbling up. That means there's water coming out of the tank.
They're gonna stop until they get into the pipe.
And it smells lovely, let me tell you.
Ah. See, right here don't smell. The air coming backwards.
Yeah.
Hijo.
So make sure that this isn't getting clogged.
No.
Yeah.
I think it's clogged.
Yeah. There we go. Yeah, because I would like to dig off to the side down deeper than what the pipe is. And set like a rock or something down there that I can set this pump on.
So, wait.
See how she does there?
Yeah, it's doing okay. Look, better.
Yeah, there you go.
See.
Yeah. And it's rolling out of there.
Mm-hmm.
I bet you anything that pipe end's right there. What you want to bet?
It's right there, only a couple of inches.
I bet you it doesn't go
Nope.
nowhere.
Start coming up the other stuff.
Yeah.
This is the other stuff, yeah.
I don't know where that's coming from.
Yeah, this is Poopy.
That's just black dirt.
Put them up. Turn around. Look all this stuff.
Gonna have to slow down at some point.
Until he's level, yeah. They're gonna stop. Está muy grueso. Sí.
Barely keeping up with it. It's like just a little bit.
Yeah.
It's went down some, but I see, because I'm like following the pipe.
Yeah.
And then like I don't.
Stop. Miren. Look. Yeah. Oh.
I think there's definitely something there.
Yeah.
I don't know if it's like just the pipe is busted. Well, I think we finally got to the point where we're able to pump it down and at least see that we do know that pipe is broken. And this is kind of the same issue that we had with the piping on that side of the tank that I had replaced. Was it's just that super thin, about as thin as it can get, PVC. And I'm pretty sure since we drove, right, because this is all areas that we've driven, everybody, right, that we probably have crushed several portions of this pipe. So, but we're gonna have to dig it out a lot more, so we'll dig it out and we'll be back. All right, so here we are actually the next day, and the reason why we're gonna have to kind of put this one on hold, I guess it's gonna be a part 1, part 2 type thing, because let me get you flipped around and I'll show you why. So if you can see, we are just a muddy mess. This is actually some of the worst rains that I've seen since we've been actually on the property, and just with all the grass being dead and it's just mud currently. Well, we need to dig this out further just to see how much of this pipe is needing to be replaced. But obviously trying to dig in wet, horrible mud. I mean, we have so much water that's coming down off of the ridge. I mean, it's flowing out of the ridge. But we know that we need to do a repair to this pipe, so that's knowing is half the battle, right? The other half is actually getting the repair fixed. We should already have products that we need on hand to be able to do the repair. We just need to dig it up. And to do that, we need a little bit less rain. So I do know that we have more rain coming. Not necessarily tomorrow. It is still supposed to be kind of iffy. Apologize for any wind. And then we also have more rain coming Saturday. So obviously that's going to be a once again. So until really, sometime next week, once this starts to dry out some, that's when we can get this finished finished up, get it cleared out. That way it's not holding water. That way we can have it pumped out, make the repairs needed, and then get it filled back in. So, yeah, one thing, it's not another. But anyway, we definitely appreciate y'all for following along with the journey. Just know that we have another video that you can check out here. The playlist to continue to follow the entire journey is greatly appreciated. And then last but not least, always thank a veteran.
At every chance you get.
Just always thank a veteran at every chance you get. Not only on Veterans Day, and we'll see you on the next one.
Bye.
Later, y'all. If you want to be on a video, you got to come outside.
Never.
Yeah.
Why you say never? I do, but the way my schedule is right now.
Uh-huh. Uh-huh.
Oh,
Uh-huh.
my PJs, leave me alone.